So we're finishing up the wedge pouch. I think you can see everything I can see here. Item 1 is I'm rounding these corners off, using that for a marker. Got a string up there hanging these on. Alright, we got a mark. Let's see if we can get around something to. I think I can do it from here. I don't want to cut me today. Guys, get on the way over there. That. Alright. Let's do it this way. Let it cut the board instead of me, eh? That was classic carpal tunnel. Holding something, you think you got it, and it just falls out of your hand. Not whining, it's just the way it is. As this leather dries, it gets tougher or harder. And my knife needs a little more sharpened. Turn it over and try that side. That's better. And it goes in there. This is a meat board. Number 4 edger. Those are number 3. And then I sewed double stitches on it. And I'm burning the ends. Do that a few thousand times and you get a callus there. And it don't hurt anymore. These ends are doubled back by stitches. They're not going to come untied anytime soon. That's pretty much it on those. Now we get to number 4. I don't want to cut that thread right there. So we'll leave that like that. Now I'm going to take that. I'm going to shut you guys off for a second. I'll show you something. It's going to get noisy here in a second. What I've done is I've taken this piece and I've rubbed some leather conditioner in on just on the edges. Kind of moistens it. This is a little different from water. It's got some products in it and stuff. I like to use beeswax, but it went missing overnight. Maybe the bees packed it off. Anyway, here comes the noise. Oh, there's some beeswax. I don't know about that. Well, maybe that chunk of black oak was coming apart. A friend of mine made that for me, turned it on his lathe. It's this old edging. You got a V-shaped groove, round, another V-shape, add another round. I'm going to go into this one right here to finish off the bigger V shape. It's called burnishing, but effectively you're burning the edge. I'm leaning on it. That'll do. I'm going to keep this running, so hang on for the ride. Don't look around at the mess. Okay, we got to hang this thing on a belt or a web gear, web belt, any kind of belt. I came up with a whole bunch of ideas. Finally settled on one. I went through some of my old hardware, and these are spring clips. Cover your ears. Show you one of those. This is one on my pager. They broke the regular clip off, so I super glued that to it. Works good. Hanging on my suspenders when I'm wearing them. Alright, so I'm going to put 2 belt clips on. We're going to go I almost went backwards. There's 2 styles of these rascals. Now that one, if it was right there, let me see if I like this here or not. Not real sure about that. You can do that, or you can cut a slot and put this in here. It makes it right up pretty high. I think I'll just do that. So my marks are going to be it'll be easy to pick up, or easy to grab that way. And just throw a rivet in that, and that'll be good. And it will be able to swing a little bit too. So we're going to put one here. I might change my mind one of these days. Which one is it? Well, that's not very far. I don't like that, just a little tiny bit there. I like that better. It'll be sitting on the edge here, make it easy to open. But it gets, take almost an inch, and here they'd have to tear out for that thing to get off of it there, off of there. Yeah, I'm just going to do that for now. I'll do the same over here. In line with the top here, and position change there and there. I'll just do that. Then if I come up with a more brilliant plan, all I got to do is grind off the burr of the rivet, pop the rivet out, and cover the hole up with something. This one, I'm going to make sure I know where it is. Right there. And right there. Remember the edge grain, end grain. I knew it was with the rivets, but I couldn't find the rivets because I put them over here. Ball of wax might be in there too. Found some other clever fasteners too. I like these a lot. These are, you sell them on old-time cavalry holsters. Just punch a hole, put that in it, and one or another drive that into there, and you're done. And you punch a hole and cut a slot in a strap, and it just buckles on. Nothing to fall off. You've seen these before. Swivel snap. I used them on reins on horse gear. What am I looking for? No, I read it. I might have to drill a hole too. Okay, these go that way. Nope, it's going to go in. Yeah, like that, because it's going to be whatever. was going to say is, if, no, we're good. Okay, if. I gotta have clearance for that, right? I was thinking these kind of protect the corner of the pouch. When the wedges slide in. Okay, what do I need out of that? This. No, not going to use that this time. Alright, we're good. Helping hands. I didn't put plastic under, but I'm going on the inside of the cow on this one. I want to show you what I did. Yeah, now we're better. Got the end of that caught under the burr. I'll be more careful this time. Put it down, right? I'd like to have that up the other way around. But I don't want the wedge hitting it going in, so I'll round that burr, or round the rivet. There. Did I get that or not? There we go. Nasty habit of throwing stuff on the floor. And that spring steel, I didn't hit it too many times. Yeah. Just rounding it down a little. Nice. Yeah, I won't be reaching in there. How's that? Think that'll work? Anyway, that'll work for put a belt in and leave it in it, or it'll work to clip onto a pack, work to clip onto a belt you already have on. And then the big guys go in there. And that's where it'll hang. It'll hang just below the waistband. Or if it's on a pack, it'll hang wherever you put it. That's all for this one. I'll take